Sound check. Sound check. Hello and welcome back to Sylpi and Sophia Forge. We are to continue our Gunsword. I think we have done quite a lot of progress with our current sword. So yesterday we made a list of our like a to-do list. So we are supposed to do detailing on the handles, perhaps some more detailing on the blades, like a support, shrink wrap, rivets, materials, and the bullet. We actually imported a bullet from blender kit. This is blender kit. So yeah, that's conveniently provided to us. Anyway, let's continue. So, detail on the handle. Right now, our handle is full. Wait a minute, what's going on? My browser is like moving upwards. I was previewing my stream. Anyway, so we're going to add some detail on our handle. So perhaps we could like make this side a wee bit flatter, but not too much, like somewhere in this range. And perhaps we could like curve it a bit. So maybe we should add more loop cuts here. And then perform a like some sort of bending in this area, like just a little but not too much, just to make it a wee bit curvy, because we don't want a very straight handle. It doesn't look cool. Next, maybe we could like extrude this one. Let's try that. Maybe does this extrude makes it look better? Yeah, let's try that. And then like, oh wait, let's turn off proportional editing. Maybe just a little, and then move it downwards a bit. Yeah, I guess that works. And then perhaps we could move this one a little bit towards here. How about proportional editing, but smaller? Something like that. Does it look like? Let's see, maybe I should reduce the now it looks better this way. Maybe in here we could like make it a bit arced. So I'm guessing we should like subdivide this one. And then delete the unnecessary edges, like that. And then perform like, I think it's too sharp. Let's see if we use sphere, like that. Let's see how... Oh, no, it's touching the... Maybe not too much. Just a wee bit. Just to make it a little more organic. Yeah, I think that should do. And now let's try and make a separate face or like a different leatherly handle. So I selected, oh wait a minute, I think I have the screencast thing. Yeah, should using that. So I'm going to duplicate this part, the surface here, like that, and then separate it by these parts, like that. So we have two surfaces here. Scale it. Wait a minute. I think let's just join it first. Join. I think we're oh, I forgot we are inside edit mode. So I've joined the two, and then I'm going to scale it anti-X. Oh wait. How about scale it along Z first? Scale along Z. Yeah, I think this one should do it. And then I guess we should make it a bit thinner, I mean thicker. So let's add Solidify. I think it should go like opposite direction, or let's just add an offset like 0.9 offset. Oh, it's too big. 0.98 or negative 0.9. Yeah, I think this one should do it. Because we're going to use a different material for this side. So like we're going to have a metal handle and then a leather like handle over here. I'm guessing we should move this point a little bit towards here. Let me double check if it's doing the same on the opposite end. Yeah, it's doing that too. So let's just adjust this side, move along the x-axis. Yeah, I think it's best that we add points between here, like that. So now we could move this one somewhere around here, and this one somewhere around here, like that. There. Let me switch to a different. How about next one? Oh, I forgot that it's turned off. No wonder we're getting weird results. Now we're having that weird thing. Oh, I think we introduced some artifacts when we edited it. Let's see. Let's try and undo the changes. Yeah, I think when we moved it, something happened to the... One way of fixing that is by applying the Solidify. Negative 0.95. I'm guessing that's... Let's see if we can move stuff around without affecting. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, let's just turn this one to 0 or maybe 1 and then use -1 here. Oh wait, let's just make this to 0. No, it's too thick, so maybe -0.5. It's too much, I guess. We don't want it to be extruded too much. But just enough to like see through it. Yeah, we're done with the handle. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Let's see if we could make this part like a little sharper. Something like that. Yeah. And this one. No, I think it's good. Okay, we're done with the handle. That was easy. Let's check, put a check mark on this one. What's the code for check? No, it doesn't work. Yeah, let's just use this one. Details on the blades. Oh, this one's going to be interesting. I mean, yeah. Oh wait, we're on edit mode. So what I'm thinking is like we're going to add something like a plate over here. I don't know if just a plate like that or like a more intricate one. We have like two options for the plate thing. Two identical plates, or we could like play around and like make an intricate plating, like something that goes like that. Maybe jagged here. Something like that. Yeah, let's explore the first one. Anyway, to do that, let's select this one first and let's just move the oh, it's the world origin cursor to world origin. So yeah, I've moved the cursor to the world origin. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just fix this one first. We need to make sure we've parented stuff so it doesn't go like we don't get it lost from anything from somewhere. So we have the bullet here. I'm guessing we need to like fix that later. We have the whole cylinder wheel assembly here. Let's minimize. Exhaust. Oh, this one's part of the wheel assembly. So we're just keeping things organized so it doesn't go hard later. There you go. So we only have the handle, the stock, 1, 2, 3, the wheel assembly. Because we can actually like move that away. Oh, this one's not supposed to be part of the wheel assembly. So this spark cap should be part of the handle. So we're going to remove that one. Clear. We're going to have it connected here like that. So that if we move this one, oh, I think there's another part here that's not supposed to be included here. I think it's the wheel pin. I'm still unsure. I think I want to do something with the wheel pin, so we're going to skip that for now. Oh, I haven't saved the file, so I'm going to save as, send it to day 6. Day 6. Save. There you go. Okay, let's go back to our plan here. Like maybe. Oh, I have an idea. Let's turn this side into like a wing thingy. Let me do a quick search. Wings. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's do this one. I found a wing that I kinda like, but I'm unsure. Let me show you. Let's remove this one. Add another one. It kinda looks like I don't know, like this is the side and then it's like going like that. Yeah, something like that. Let's do another one. Maybe somewhat bigger. Something like that. Yeah, I think that's very nice. So that's going to be our pattern. Let me remove that one for now. So what we're going to do is like add a plane, rotate it towards 90, make it a wee bit smaller, just enough to cover that part where we have the wing, and then move it to the y-axis like that, maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, let's just cover this one and then subdivide like maybe 20. No, maybe more, 50 there. And then so we have the plane. Okay, we'll add a curve bezier. Go to edit mode, delete the existing bezier curve, or however you want to call it. Then we're going to draw our own curve. Okay, we can't have like a floating curve here, so I'm guessing we need to close it. Let me see. Okay, I'll just start here, then draw around like that. I'm tracing my own. I'll just like fix it later. I kind of forgot to wear my gloves, so it's kind of hard to move. There you go. Let's turn off the... Wait, where did the curve went? It went at the back side. So I think I'm gonna need to move the whole thing to the front side so we could see it. Perhaps we could turn off the annotate now because it's just messing up our view. There we go. Let's see how we could fix. There's a lot to fix in here. Like there's going to be a lot of adjustments. This one we want to make it really sharp. Yeah, I really need my Razor keyboard. Going to be very useful here with the Razor keyboard because I kept on misclicking my regular keyboard. I like this one, very sharp. Let's just try and move it towards here. Although I don't know if it's going to like work correctly. So I'll just give it some thickness. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what we want. Like a really nice shape. Yeah, I think we're good here. I'm going to back up the curve. Wait, I don't think we need to back that up. But anyway. Click the curve, click the plane that we made, edit mode, edge, and then oh no, it's mesh. Knife project. Uh-oh, forgot to switch mesh, knife project, select, invert, and then we're going to delete all those faces that are not part of the let's see, did we have, yep, we did have the projected thing. So I don't think we need to back up the the curve. I'll just remove the old one. There you go. And since we have enough vertices to work with, it should project to this one clearly. Although, yeah, I forgot, there's something we need to do first, because we can only project, oh wait a minute, I think there might be a way to like project to like a collection. Let's see. Shrink wrap. Nah, targets just one object. So yeah, we're going to need to make like a duplicate of these ones. I'm going to make a like a workstation mode or workspace. And then I'm going to get these three. I'll duplicate it, like make an instance of it. I'm gonna move it to my workspace. I'm gonna move my plane there as well. I'm going to combine the three. Uh-oh. Kind of forgot that these barrels have like a modifier, so we'll just apply the modifiers. Oh wait, it's not good thing it isn't a separate instance. We used Alt-D, so that's not a good idea. Let's just reduplicate them. Barrel, blade, second blade. This I'm going to use Shift-D, so it's not an instance. Move it here, because I'm going to apply the things like that. Select all three, join them, so we now have one object. And then let's call this barrel wrap. Then let's use that. There you go. Oh. Now we need to do some adjustments. I'm guessing we need to like add a Solidify Modifier before the shrink wrap thing. Like -1. Kinda look weird. just playing around with stuff here. Kinda don't like how blocky it is. Let's try and add like a subdivision before we solidify, make it simple. I'm still not convinced, but we're not gonna use shiny object here anyway. Let's see how we could like wrap it in here. Let's apply the rotation. See, uh-oh, what happened? No, it doesn't want us to apply rotation. Let's see, surface. Nope. I'm just trying around anything that would make it look nice. Nah, doesn't want to. Dang. Oh, there's a subdivision surface here. Let's try and remove this one for now. See if this one would help. Doesn't look like it's helping, so let's find some ways to make it cooler. Let's try and hide this collection first so we can see clearly what's going on here. It might also be like we need to use boolean instead of joining them. Let's see first. Nearest surface, it's almost like this, but we need it like thicker. Almost had it, but I kinda don't like how, yeah, it's not really connected. Like it's hovering, maybe because of this one. Yeah, it's that one. want it to be a bit thicker, but then I don't like the look of it. Felt like there's an artifact going on. Uh-oh. Don't tell me it's going to crash. Oh no. There you go. Let me save it. In textured view, it looks like we kinda almost made it. Kinda like that, like it's not really touching too much. It made it look more like it's just plastered over the blade and the barrel. Let's see if we could adjust it a bit. Yeah, it might help if we start adding materials to this one, because we want to make it look okay. Let's just add a material on the blade, so we could easily visualize how this one would look. There you go. Now we can see more clearly that it's too thin. Like there's an angle like this one where we can almost see the backside. Don't like some parts where we are not having enough vertices on it. Like these parts here. I mean, we could make another plane with higher resolution. Outside surface, on surface. This one's kind of that good looking. kinda looking rough. Let's try adding something just to visualize. Let's see, what's a good material for this one? Oh, I think this one looks nice. Let's see. Yeah, it's very rough on the edges. I don't like how that one looks like. Okay, let's try to make another plane. Or how about trying to apply these first. Let's try to apply this one. See if it helps. No, it doesn't look like it helped in any way. I'm going to use a different material. Yeah, it really has that artifact thing going on here, which is weird. Okay, let's try and make another plane. Rotate by 90. Scale it so it's around almost like that, and then edit, subdivide. Let's do 100. Dang, that's a lot of vertices. Then we're going to reuse the curve, project it here, mesh, knife cut, select, invert, delete the outer faces, hide the curve, move this one to front a little bit. Now we should have more vertices. Perhaps we could like add a subdivision modifier and apply it, so we have really much more. Add a solidify and apply it as well. Let's change the color of this one so it's easier for us to see. Apply the solidify and then make a shrink wrap. Apply it on the barrel wrap. Hide the old one and adjust this one to, I need to check I made it like 0.1. Oh, didn't help that much. I mean, there's still some weird stuff going on here. Project doesn't help as well. Uh-oh, did I disconnected from, did I get disconnected? Yeah, I think a bit. Anyway, I'm kinda not very happy with the results, but I'm thinking there's also this impact on how much this object is being. Let's see if I turn this one off. Yeah, there's a bearing. The object we are trying to shrink wrap this one, the plate with, kinda needs more vertices, because when I turn this one off, as you can see, there's a weird cut in here. But turning it on, we've got a somehow cleaner result. But only up to some extent. I think adding a subdivision clean it up a bit. Let's see which side it should be at. Inner or outer? How about both? Let's see what happens if we add a subdivision on both ends. Yeah, the edges becomes more clearer. I just kind of don't like the lines. And it does seem like it's coming from the object we're wrapping at. I guess that's how far we could go, unless we like add subdivisions on here. Let's see if I apply the subdivision modifier of this one. See if it helps. Nah. Didn't help a bit. And I'm not particularly happy with this side. But yeah, there's nothing much we can do. There you go. So now we hide this one, return the original. Uh-oh. Why is it different? Oh no. There's like a slight difference. It's a bit different when we return to the original. Or perhaps we could like add a solidify in here. No, it's a bit ruined. There's another thing we could try. Although I'm not exactly sure if it's going to be any different. One method is to convert the Bezier curve into a mesh and create a face to it. Subdivide. Uh-oh. I'm not sure if my blender would crash, so let's just wait a little bit. I think what made it stop working when I switched the mode from simple to advanced. It's weird though, CPU utilization is not really that high. Let me show you the task manager. Yeah, it's not really used that much, so I'm wondering why Blender's like stuck. It's like Blender is using only like 2 or maybe just 1 CPU thread. I'm guessing this is going to crash. Maybe I should just let it crash. Let it crash. I wish there's a way to like interrupt the operation. Like, no, stop doing that. Return to your last known good state. Yeah, I'll just let it crash. Going to close it. And see where we had the last save. Uh-oh. I think we lost quite a lot. Dang. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna try something different. I'm going to duplicate this one. Duplicate. Send it to our workspace. Hide the whole thing. Turn this one into a mesh. Edit. Make a face out of it. Subdivide. Oh, can't actually subdivide it. No, I think it's not gonna work. But just for the sake of trying, because there's no surface vertices, so I'm guessing it's not going to shrink wrap properly. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. A lot more garbage. Because there's not enough vertices to like shrink wrap it, so no, that's not really gonna work. Anyway, let's undo, convert. There you go. So we lost the last one that we had, so let's just do a quick one. A plane rotated at 90, apply rotation, scale down, move to the y-axis, scale down a little bit more, edit, subdivide to 100, and then click the curve, click this one, go to edit mode, mesh, knife cut, select, invert, delete all the faces, exit edit mode. And then shrink wrap. Let's just do shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. Oh wait, I forgot. I think we did solidify first. Yeah. And then shrink wrap. I think we applied the solidify. Apply. And then shrink wrap to the barrel wrap. And then 0.1. Not enough. Outside surface. 0.1. Weird. I guess it's applied. Let's see. Let's try and add some materials to our coding. Steel goes here. Or you just click it. There you go. And then this one. Let's find a suitable. Kinda want something that's a bit colorful. Maybe this one. Oh. Oops. Oh. I think I know what's causing that weird artifact thingy. Oh dang. Now it looks good. Okay. So I used the shade smooth without turning on the normal auto smooth. Now it looks better. Look at that. Dang. Can you say it doesn't look nice? I should like make a copy of this one. Let's see. Make a duplicate. Move it to the back side. Oh, look at that. Although there's a weird artifact at the back side. I don't know why, but let's see. Maybe it's the normal, I mean, how do we turn on the normal view? Should be here. Yeah, the normals are correct. It's weird that... Oh, wait a minute. I think I know. Maybe the offset here should be like negative? No. How about let's try and add the subdivision modifier. Try it simple. Oh, okay. That made it look better. There you go. And then let's just make a backup of this one. Hide it. These two we're going to apply. Wait, yeah, let's just apply everything. Apply, and then we remove the barrel shape, so we should still have these ones here. Turn back. Oh no. There's some sort of bleeding. Let's see if no, it doesn't help. How about we move it by 2.1, 2.2? No, it's not totally flat. Well, how about we just use the barrel wrap thing that we originally made? And then turn off this one. Yeah, since it works better here, let's just swap out these three with the barrel wrap thing here. There you go. And then take, oh, what happened? Oh, because these ones are still turned on. So let's just turn them all off. And then these two, let's just conveniently name them rings. And then take the two, select here, and parent it with parent it. There you go. Oh, isn't that much better? Although I think it just counts for a design instead of like something that would bind the two. But it does look nice. Yeah, I'll just keep that. Okay, where were we? We are done with number 2. We have 45 minutes to go. What happened again? Let me do a save. Let's save as like that. What happens again if I add a Solidify? Yeah, it went weird. Doesn't want to add more Solidify. Anyway, I think it looks good. I'm just thinking if I could make it more thicker. Let's do a pre-render just so we could see how cool it goes. Let's move the camera here. Oh, wait a minute. This one got turned off. Guess I need to save it again. add something like an HDR so that we see a better lighting. Oh yeah, you should watch my Forge bits. There's a lot of cool techniques I post on. Yeah, we should switch to cycles and like remove the background. There you go. And then do a preview. Oh. Let me show it to you here. So yeah, this is how it looks like. There's a weird artifact here. Let's see. Might be the material. Oh, yeah, it might be the material. So let's try doing a smart unwrap. See if it helps. Check the shading. Yeah, there's it's not using the UV coordinates thing. I think it's by design that there's a weird stuff like that. It looks good on Eevee, but not on Cycles. But I think it's by design that they have like that blue stuff here. That's why, if you look at this one, the preview for a new Chrono, I mean, we could make our own. But let's just use something else for now. I kind of don't like the way, like there's something it's shade smooth, but wait, let me check this one. I think there's Oh, there's it up here. Let me try making our own. Let's use this one. Why I'm selecting the wrong one. Let's use this one. Huh. Why is it there's some ugly artifact? Doesn't show when we are on EV. Oh no. So with cycles, there's a weird because it doesn't show on textured mode. But with cycles, we're seeing those weird crumpled looking thing. And we don't even have any other modifiers applied to it. Anyway, meantime, let's just do it on Eevee. Because I kinda like this one. Let's see if it renders. Yeah, it does look cool on Eevee. I'll see later what's causing it. For now, yeah, let's do it on Eevee, and it renders faster too. Let's try and add a material here as well. Maybe a different steel, like something less shiny. Iron brushed. Oh, dang. Oh no. I don't know how far I've saved. It crashed. Yeah, I think it's good that we have managed to salvage. Let me try and switch it back. There you go. I should save a lot now because it's getting very unstable. Maybe it happened when I was switching between Eevee and hey, what's find scene? Okay, let's go here instead. Oh, wait a minute. I think I have seen like a steel or a metal. No, I don't like rusted. Rough cast. Yeah, I think this one looks good. Rough cast. Nah. Let's look for something. How about brushed? Oh, this one we likely need to create our EV projection, and then switch the shading to UV. We are kind of limited to the realism though when it comes to Eevee, but oh, I think we lost the environment texture. Assets, Blender, HDRI. How about this one? Make it transparent. Oh yeah, I remember. There you go. Let's see. Does it look good? Uh-oh. I think I forgot that we made something here that caused the hole to like bulge out like that. I need to fix that later. Let's just apply the same texture here. Like that. Oh, looks much better. Then let's find something leathery here. There you go. Looks good. Let's see how it performs when rendered. Oh, even this one got removed. There you go. Now I think we need to move the bullet into the case here. So I'm gonna need to select the whole hierarchy and maybe this one too and isolate it. And now we try to move this one. Like we need to rotate. Oops, not that one. Trying to rotate this one. Kinda too small now. Dang. just scale it, I guess. Scale it. I think it's supposed to overlap quite a bit. Like that. Because I think there's like a cap. Let's see. Let's move it a wee bit to the back. Yeah, I think this one's supposed to go somewhere here. But then I think... yeah, I think this one's supposed to be bigger than the shell. But I think it wasn't modeled correctly, because I remember there's supposed to be a sort of hole, like a ridge here where this one should go. But yeah, anyway, let's just do the best we can, like move it like that. You only need it for show anyway. Yeah, something like that. And then we need to recycle the empty. But we kinda need to set we need to copy the location of this one. Oh, let's just use the empty cursor to selected. Like that. The location is different. Oh yeah, kind of forgot that I haven't set the origin to 3D cursor. Why is it so far? Where's the empty? Yeah, the empty is here. which is weird. Yeah, this one and this one shape. Oh, it's a bit different. Let's see if I add a new empty. Empty for bullets. Oh, dang. I think I found it. The error. Forgot to remove that relative. Let's see if it follows the original empty. There you go. Dang. And we also need to do that here. There you go. Although I kinda don't like that the bullet is too short. Kinda want it to be like very long so you could actually see it from here. So what I'm going to do is like edit this one. So maybe let's do it with the bullets first. Like move this one. Barely showing at the end, like just like that, and then we edit this one. Extend it to like that. So like where don't forget to save. Oh, select the whole hierarchy. It still looks correct. Still looks like bullets. But if you look from this side, you can see the head from here. But now we can't see the back side. So my trick here is to add a sort of a cylinder. Oh wow, that's huge. the radius like 1. Let's try and isolate. Oh, let's just put this one here. Why are the numbers here? Looks weird. Oh no. Like 5.19. Oh, I get it. Because of the array. There you go. 1.84. Going to make this 1.84. 1.85. 1.9. 1.9. Get it. There you go. Make it longer a bit. Let's just apply like that, and then move it upwards. I think it's better. This one's 2.6 up. Something like that. And then rotate around here, 60. Something like that. Oh, forgot something. Anyway, let's just isolate these parts. Send this back to 0. Edit. Wireframe mode. Where's some V selection? Select the upper half. And then move to Z like that. Some more. Yeah, something like that. And then, whoops, 60 degrees. that, and then perform a boolean cut. There you go. Kinda need to fix fast. Let's see if it gets fixed with the subdivision somewhere here. Looks kinda ugly with that. Let's see if it helps if we like make a backup of this one and then apply everything. It didn't help at all. Oh, it's another issue of using shade smooth without let's see if we can fix it with this one. Oh, there you go. Don't need this one then. Kind of forgot to apply shade smooth on this one. Oh yes, I did. There you go. So we can now see the bullet here. Like there's an option to add bullets here without the need to pull out the whole cylinder. We still need to add some more stuff, like there should be a pin somewhere here. But we're almost done, and I like how we were able to add something like this here. It made this gun different, like a bit different. Although because of this one, we are unable to use cycles. So I'm gonna check a way. After my stream, I'm gonna find a way to like fix the weird artifacts forming when viewing it with cycles. I'm guessing it has something to do with life path. Yeah. Let's see. We have 7 minutes to go. So how about where's the pin? Let's see. We have the real pin over here. So I'm guessing we need to get this one, duplicate it, outside. Oh yeah, I need to remove it from being a parent of this one. Because we're going to use this one for something like a thumb button here. Let's make it short. Move it to somewhere around here. And make it like meter. All day. I think it's going to have a conflict with, let's see, let's find out how big it can be. I think it's somewhere like that. Or I think smaller. Let's do around a number. Maybe somewhere here. Let's move the cursor here and maybe add a cube, which is about 10.3. 2.5. So the idea is to create something here, like create a I don't know if I should like remove this part. Or just something like that. Yeah, let's try and visualize it by making it like that. Okay, so the barrel hole is too big. So this one should be smaller. Okay. Like that small. We might need to use like a half circle for the pin eject mechanism. In the original design, I was able to use like a full thumb wheel, but in here we might need to make it like half cylinder size. So I'm going to duplicate this one, scale it, make it bigger. Oh, yeah, we can't make it bigger than the hole, because it wouldn't make sense. So it's something like that, and then make it shorter. Or not too short. Something like that. Or I guess we should also make this one a wee bit shorter. I think it looks cool if it's protruded like that. And then maybe we could just join the two, like a union. Oh, it's 10. I guess I should wrap this one up and continue with later. Oh, I kind of forgot something. I need to cut this one. So I mustn't like combine them now. Let's just do a quick cut. I think we'll need, or yeah, I think it's better that we have it like combined. Let's see, somewhere here. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join the two. Oh wait, this one and this one. Join. Do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere around here. Do the same at the opposite end. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join. And then we'll have everything here. the whole thing here removed, or the very least scale down, but I think it's easier to just remove the faces like that and then just create a new face. Wait, yeah, I think it's easier like this. So just select those vertices, then face. Same goes here. Face. And then here too. Oh dang. I really wish there's like a shortcut here. Instead of manually adding faces like this. Let's just preview it for now. See if it makes sense. And maybe add a metal plate. I don't think displacement works with Eevee, so this one will probably not work. Oh, does it work? It does. Although we might not want to make the whole thing the same, so we're going to add different so like that, and then we select only this part to have it here like that. So we have sort of a thumb eject mechanism here. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's see. Can we do a quick render? So yeah, that's where we left off. And thank you for watching. So I'm guessing we're still gonna work on this one tomorrow. Let me see. What else do we need? We still need to add like rivets, and we have the bullets. So we are sort of done with the materials, but there's a lot of room for improvement. I kind of wanted to work with cycles because I want to use the ambient occlusion, like to make those edges here like a bit blackened, because most metal or steel or anything kind of have like a built up like black rust maybe, on those edges, so I kind of want to use the ambient occlusion like here also, but it's only going to work with cycles, so I'm gonna perform, I'm gonna find a way to fix this one, because I kind of like how we made this one here, but it doesn't work well with cycles because of some noise like artifact. The artifact is mostly the bane when you're like you're modeling, because you don't wanna see those artifacts. So yeah, this is what we got. Of course, I'm gonna make these files available on Patreon. I actually have uploaded quite a couple of files there. All the forge bits were uploaded on Patreon. The rifle sword is also uploaded on Patreon. This one, although we haven't really completed it, I'm going to upload our current progress. So yeah, if you're into like, if you want these models and you want those quick bits or forge bits, which I call it forge bits, those quick bits, those small tutorials, techniques on Blender, if you want them all, you could probably help by subscribing to Patreon. That would help me maintain the channel. So yeah, of course, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and perhaps also leave a comment, so I know, like, if you have something better, like, you know, something. Uh-oh, my chat seems to be flooded with spam. Oh no. Anyway, that's all for today. It's my day 6 on my live stream for this channel, and I'll be seeing you again tomorrow, I hope. So yeah, bye!